Nice. Yeah, keep getting this feed over. Yep, come on. Sink into it. Nice. Keep moving this feed over.
Now don't worry, I will show you the full beta to this at the end of the video, but I wanted to share some clips with you of my failed attempts. This route, Tufatafoni, is very difficult. It took me so many tries. I still didn't fully get it. I couldn't get past this part, honestly. And I was getting increasingly frustrated throughout the day. You can even notice how dark it gets towards the end. But you know, that's the reality of climbing. I just really wanted to get this before we left because I knew we would not be coming back and it was our last day here. However, life just doesn't work out like that, and that's okay. Just gotta admire the beautiful sunset and just know that you tried your hardest. But of course, this is gonna be my boyfriend doing the entire beta because he's just amazing and very strong and very skilled and has been climbing for a lot longer than me. And also, if you notice, he's doing this dang thing barefoot, which I'm salty about, no pun intended, but like, what the heck? How is he doing this? I don't know. He's just amazing. But yeah, here's the beta. Of course, you'll probably want to wear climbing shoes because these rocks are sharp as heck and you will get cut up. My hands were torn to pieces by the end of this. So just imagine how your feet will feel if you do this. But yeah, I cannot believe that you top out at the end of this after going through what seems like to me would be hell of climbing that. Like, I have absolutely no climbing endurance. And this had been just a few times of me climbing outdoors for the first time. So I've definitely got a long ways to go, but I just wanted to share this beta with you all.